Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, 5 off of 25 Saturday. So y'all went to Dollar General, okay? So y'all know how it goes. What goes down with Dollar General. Either you get a good store or you don't. And I got a nice store, okay? I can't say good. I want to say good, but I don't want to jinx it. So I'm just going to leave it at that, okay? So went in, like I always do. Sometimes I have a plan. Sometimes I don't have a plan. And the deals that I have are good because, you know, they do have a sale going on too, which was started on Thursday, which is Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. They have a little sale that's going on. Some of the items are a little cheap. So I did pick up about 3 of the items that I think that was on the clearance. I know 3 of them was on the clearance, but I didn't know if any one of the other items that I looked at or purchased that was on the clearance. Okay, so not clearance but sale. Okay, so let me go ahead and get to this video. So the first thing I picked up that I've been trying to find in the stores, and I finally found it, was this Azo. Azo is $3.45, and there is a $5 off digital coupon that is attaching, so you know the overage goes into your transaction, okay? The next thing is the Degree. The Degree, I got the men's, is $3.50. There is a $1 off Dollar General digital coupon that is attaching, all right? So you want to always scan your items to make sure that they are attaching. But I think on this coupon, it has to be $3 and over. Okay. So the next thing is the Axe. I got 2 Axe. They are $2.85 a piece. There is 2 digital coupons that is attaching, $1 and then a $2 off of 2 Dollar General coupon. That's why I got 2 of them. Okay. That is attaching. The next thing, let me move down here, is the Oral-B toothbrush. Now, it has to be the bright and clean. Out of mainly all the Dollar General stores that I've been to, it might be in other ones, but the one that I've been to only has this one bright and clean. None of the other ones have the bright and clean. They have the healthy and clean. You do not want to get that because that does not attach to the coupon that is a dollar digital coupon, and this Oral-B is $1, so it's making it free. Okay, the next thing are the Starbucks. You have to purchase both of these. So you're going to purchase the Starbucks original, these little candies. Okay, the Starbucks candies are $1, and then you find the Starburst. I want to keep on saying Starbucks because I went and got me one today, y'all, but it was on my mind. So Starburst, you had to get a singles, one of these mixes, and then get this 3.2 ounce candy together. There is a $1 off Dollar General digital coupon that is attaching, only making this $1. They're $1 a piece, but once you use the coupon, they're $1, okay? Or 50 cents a piece, all right? So the next thing I picked up, and I got this is on that sale that is Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, which ends today. I got the brown and sugar Clover Valley baked beans, and then the Clover Valley Homestead baked beans. They are 2 for $2. So they're $1 a piece, but you have to buy 2 of them because they're 2 for $2. As far as I know of, you have to buy them both together. But I didn't try to see if I can get singles, so I wanted some baked beans. So I got these because I'm trying to incorporate baked beans into my, when I cook, because I always think about it, but forget to pick it up at the store. Y'all know that's so crazy. So the next thing also is the Purex, the 4-in-1. They got the 21 pack, and then also they have a 17 pack. These are $3.50. There is a $1.50 digital coupon that is attaching to the packs. The liquid also is on sale, but that's a little higher, and I think it's $5, and it's $1 off digital coupon, making it $4. So I said I'm just gonna go ahead and get the pack. Okay, the packs. So the next thing is this mallows. The mallows, which y'all seen on my other video, and I will link that video so you can check that out. It's this mallows. I picked this up yesterday. It is $1.40. There is a 50 cents off digital coupon that is attaching. They do have another one, which is lemonade. I think it's lemonade. They didn't have it in this store, so I couldn't see if it attached or not, but I knew the famous sweet tea, so I just went ahead and picked that up. The next thing is the Suave Men, this 3-in-1 hydrating. Okay. It is $2. There is a $1 off digital, I think it's a Dollar General coupon that is attaching. I think it's a Dollar General. Also, if you want to pick up 2, there is another coupon that is attaching. It is 50 cents off of 2. So I just picked up this one and just used the $1. Okay. The next thing is these U-Back Kotex. U-Back Kotex, they are $3.45. I picked up 2 because it's a $4 off of 2 Dollar General coupon. Also, y'all, scan this to Fetch. If you have the offers, I had an offer for if I bought 2 of the U-Back Kotex. So, I scanned my whole receipt, but I got back $4 for these U-Back Kotex. Okay. So the total amount on Fetch that I got when I scanned my receipt was $4,061. Okay. $4,061. So you might want to always scan your receipt to Fetch because, honey, you get those points do add up. Okay. The next thing is the Tide. The Tide, y'all know I've been trying to get my liquids up. Now I'm going to have to try to get my pods up, y'all. It's just crazy. But anyway, this is $5.50. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. So I really I didn't have to pick up the Tide, but y'all know I said I needed it. So I went ahead and incorporated it into my transaction. Okay. So after she scanned everything, I put my number in. Now my subtotal is a little higher than what I wanted it to be because I went ahead and incorporated the Tide, which was fine with me. But if you do not want the Tide and you want to get everything else, then you don't have to get the Tide because you'll still come out low. Okay? Not low, but you'll come out low. All right? So my subtotal was $12.95. And y'all know everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. All right. So there is the baked beans. You see all them store discounts because they're on sale. There is the U-Back Kotex. There is the Suave Men. There is the Degree. There is the Pyrex. There is the Azo. There is, you see where the Azo is $3.45, the $5 attached. So it means the rest of the money went into my transaction. There is the 2 Axe. There is the Oral-B, making it free. There is the Mallows. There is the Starburst, both of those. And there is the Tide. Okay. There is my subtotal, $12.95. Look at my total savings, $26. Yes. And there is another 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So y'all, like I said, if you didn't want to pick up that Tide, you didn't have to if you want to get everything else. But you see what my total savings was, $26. You see what my subtotal. So some of this stuff, if you don't want to pick it up, you might want to just pick up the ones that are kind of close to free or on the low. You don't have to pick up those baked beans or that Pyrex if you don't want to. Some of this stuff you don't want to, you do not have to. Just always scan your items into the app to make sure you got that coupon. Keep a total of what you've spent. I mean, not what you spent. Keep a total of what the prices are minus what your coupons. Then you can come out of pocket on the low or on the low. Okay. So when I tell y'all the low, that means it is 5, anything 5 and less. If I say on the low, anything that is 10 and less. And that means dollars. Okay. So this right here is my Dollar General haul. 5 off of 25 Saturday. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.